Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have just got a wild hair up my butt and decided that I'm going to make over my bedroom. Here's my bedroom. So on top of me trying to do a makeover, the room is a mess, so I have to clean it too. I really want to do this because Antonio has been out of town for the past 3 days and he's coming back today. And I'm like, oh, that'll be a cute surprise to surprise him with a room makeover. But I'm like, why couldn't I get this wild idea 2 days ago? I would have had 2 days to do it. But anyway, I want to try to do it. I'm going to be painting this wall. I'm kind of tired of the dark mauve. It's kind of dark. I think I want it back white. And I think I'm going to try to put some trim up on the wall. So a little mini makeover, but yeah, still probably a lot to try to rush and do in maybe 10 hours before he gets back home. Okay, y'all, first things first, we want to measure the wall, and I just wanted to show you guys this this laser beam measuring tape basically that Antonio got me a while ago. It is very handy. So let me show you how we do it. So basically put it in the corner here. So I need to measure this wall. And I know you guys probably can't see the beam, but it will read the distance that I need. So that is 13 feet 11 inches that way. See there, 1311. And now I need to also measure the ceiling. So I just want to show you guys this really quick. This is how I measure all the time, especially when I need to measure ceilings. I just put it on the floor and then let the beam hit the ceiling like that, just like that. And then yeah, so this is really good. If you guys are interested, I will leave one of these in the description box below. You can find them on Amazon or whatever. But yeah, it is really handy, especially when I only have my hands and I don't have anybody to hold the end of the measuring tape. This is perfect. All right, y'all, so here is what has happened. My son and I, we tried to pull the bed back and it's getting stuck, and it's just going to be a lot to try to get it moved all the way out of the way. So basically I just pulled it forward, and then now I have enough room to get back there. And if y'all can bear with me, I'm just going to try to show you guys from this angle what it's going to be like, me putting up the trim and all. I am sorry that I cannot show you guys just, you know, head on everything, but the bed is just way too heavy and it's too difficult for me to get it all the way out of the way. So I'm just going to work behind it. All right, y'all, I got the wall done, but that was, listen, it took way longer than I thought, and it was very difficult trying to paint behind the bed, but I did the best that I can. We won't get up on it. But anyway, Antonio just texted me and they're on their way back now. So he's about 4.5, 5 hours away. So I got to get cracking. So I did this strategically. I want to go ahead and paint first. So when I go to the store, this can be drying. And then by the time I get back, we can go ahead and make some cuts and then put our trim on the wall. So let's go. All right, y'all. So I'm moving kind of fast. I'm so sorry, but I already put, you can see I got some of the trim up there because I was just trying to get an idea. It's not completely up yet. I was just doing my measurements and spacing it out where I wanted it to be. So let me show you guys really quick how you can get it on the wall in case you don't have an air gun. So This is a Milwaukee staple gun, but as you can see down here at the bottom, it not only does staples, but it also does brad nails. And brad nails are just little teeny tiny nails. They're straight nails. Let me show you. I got some. Hold on. I got some in my pocket. So they look like this. These are brad nails, and that's why I got the trim really thin. So let me show y'all. All right, so here's a piece of trim, and I got it really thin. So here's the side, and you can see that, oh, let me back up. So you can see that my nails, so imagine that this is what we're gonna nail it in this way. And you can see that my nail would go all the way through. See how long it is? So that's why I got really thin trim, because I wanted to make sure that my nails would catch, and I already had these nails. So y'all, this is a simple and easy way to put it on the wall. I know some people might say, well, you can use Loctite and Gorilla Glue and all that stuff. I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to use Gorilla Glue and Loctite, because I'm a person, I change my mind all the time. I might not want this next year, and when I take it down, all I have to worry about is really teeny tiny nail holes instead of the Gorilla Glue or the Loctite or liquid nail completely ripping off my sheetrock. So that's why I am going to go this route. All right, y'all, I got it all up. Looks good, just something simple. I did not want to paint it. I actually like how the white looks, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. You can see I started painting that one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. I got about 30 minutes to get this done, and then I can clean up the room and get everything put back and look decent. Y'all, I'm checking in real quick. I feel like I'm not gonna make it. It is 5:17. He told me he was supposed to be here probably about 6. And so this is it. And I know y'all like, oh, it's probably done, but no. I was gonna hang those pictures back up. And, oh my God. This is everything. Like, well, those are clothes. that gotta be folded. Wash clothes that gotta be folded. But all of this stuff over here was like stuff that was like up under the bed and on the nightstands and everything. And it's just stuff everywhere, y'all. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, I don't think I'm gonna make it, but I'm trying. Y'all, we didn't make it. Tonio's here. Oh. What? You can't go in the room. Oh. Why are you here?
Oh, sweet.
Well, why are you here so early?
What you mean here early?
You said 6:15.
Okay, we was rolling. Once I started driving, I took off. That's nice. Yeah, where these come from? Oh, off the side.
They was on the side.
That look good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I've been hustling. I cannot. We didn't make it, y'all. We did not make it. We tried. This is, let me flip it right. Watch out, Christian. So this is it, y'all. I was hustling. So this is what I got so far. So I still got to run to the store and get, I don't want the curtains over there anymore. I think I'm going to do like just a valance at the top. So instead of the curtains hanging down, but what do you think of the almost done surprise?
Look in the bathroom. What happened in the bathroom?
Nothing happened in the bathroom. Christian, no it didn't. I was trying to clean up. Running around like crazy. Yes. I said that. I said you was gone for 3 days. I would decide the day you come back to try to do something.
Why you didn't?
Come back. What do you think? What you doing?
You need to use it.
Are you using the bathroom?
You need to use the number 2.
Wow. All right, y'all. We got busted. That did not go as planned, but I am going to run to the store and I'm gonna finish up the room so now I don't have to rush anymore because I want to put like a valance on the window instead of the long curtains that I had. And yeah, I'm gonna go find some other stuff. So